Welcome to AI with Abdul, Tech Insights and Tutorial channel.
In this video, we learn about Photoshop Generative Fill option, Photoshop Beta. How can we use it? At first, click on Photoshop Beta icon, then select a picture. Simply double tap on this screen and select a picture. I select this picture and simply we just go to selection tool, then drag and just click on generate button. This Photoshop Beta AI easily detect the expanded background and you see a beautiful result in 1 minute. Here's a result. This Photoshop Beta shows you a different 3 options, and if you're not satisfied and click on generate again, then you get multiple result. Thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching AI with Abdul, Tech Insights and Tutorial channel. Like, comment and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe this channel for more updates.